Certainly. The problem of finding pairs with the smallest sums is a common interview question. The task is to find that pairs A where A is from the first array and bis from the second array such that the sum of is minimized. Problem statement given two integer arrays num1 and num2 sorted in ascending order and an integer. You need to find that pairs U with the smallest sums where U in num1 and U in num2. Example input Python num1 1, 7 num2 3, 4 3 output Python 1, 3, 1, 4, 7, 3 approach 1. Min-heap. We can use a min-heap priority queue to efficiently get the smallest sums. Pairs generation. Instead of generating all possible pairs which would be num, we can push only the smallest sums into the heap. Heap operations. We start by pushing the smallest pair, the smallest element in num1 paired with the smallest element in num2. Then we explore new pairs by incrementing the index of either array. Steps 1. Create a min-heap. Push the first pair num1 0, num2 0 into the heap along with the indices of the elements. Pop the smallest pair from the heap and generate new pairs by incrementing the index of the first array. Incrementing the index of the second array. Continue until you have pairs or the heap is empty. Implementation here. Here's how you can precedence CC says CC CC President review online preserving Persian word online better than zero 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 better than you zero 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 better you better you better line better than you be a real review better you just you feel on you better you personally personal personal view personal 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 Hudson, PCMD, baby, baby, seal, Paladin, Paladin, PCU, Theo, Seal, Building, Paladin, Theodore, Theodore, Bill, Paladin, Theodore, Seal, Theodore, Theo, Bill, Bill, Sir, Bill, Seal, Sir, Bill, 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 7, Bill, Tell you, feel you, feel them, heap processing. We pop the smallest sum from the heap, add it to the result, and then try to push the next potential pair into the heap. Result construction. The result is built until we have extracted pairs or the heap runs out of pairs to explore. Complexity time complexity logik, where is the number of pairs we want to find since each heap operation takes logik. Space complexity for storing the results and the heap. This algorithm efficiently finds that pairs with the smallest sums while avoiding unnecessary computations, making it suitable for larger input sizes.